Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coupon Box, and here I'm going to share the coupon code for airbnb.com. You can use this coupon code in UK and US both. So how you can use it, simply add this coupon code on a checkout page. That's it, you don't need to do anything else. Here I'm going to share 4 coupon code which is working right now, and you can use it on airbnb.com. Okay, so if it is working for you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because it takes time to find working coupon code. So if it is not working, you can also comment down, because you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. So here is the 4 coupon code which is working right now, and you can use it. So here we go.